Everybody, this is my Haiboxing 18859A upgraded. This is a 4800 kV motor, a 60A ESC, and a 3S 1300 milliamp battery. I want to do another upgrade to this. I want to add a dual motor. This is two chassis that were exactly the same, and I split it in half. Realistically cutting off the front ends of this chassis and attaching both rear sides to the vehicle. This is still in a progress, but now that it spins freely, I'm going to mock it up. I'm going to put like a metal bar here and here, and then probably plastic weld in between to keep the chassis nice and firm. It's going to be metal all the way through. This is the rear end of it, and this is going to be the front end. I know it's kind of a messy thing right now, but 60A ESC, 4800 kV motor, 60A ESC, 4800 kV motor. I'm waiting for my 16-tooth pinion gear to come in. It's from Arma. And then connect everything, splitter connector, but remove the positive from this ESC right here. Remove that positive and then connect it with this and then into the receiver. It's basically what I'm going to do. Hopefully this thing works. It should work. I wouldn't see why it wouldn't, but if it doesn't, then spare parts. I plastic weld the bottom part of the chassis. I bought some rails and I kind of bolted it onto the side. I just put two 2S batteries on it because I didn't want to run the 3S right now. And the way I connected this all together is that on the second ESC, which is my slave ESC right here, which is this guy right over here, I just disconnected its positive wire when I connected it. So it's going in like that. And it runs in sync. Here's the controller. Oh, wow. I'm definitely going to need to do something about the front here. Might have to like tweak those shocks a bit. This is the dual motor setup. 2 motors on each side. It's definitely going to have to be cleaned up. This is the front of the vehicle over here. I upgraded the servo to a 10 kilogram servo. The standard Haiboxing one came with like, I think a 3 kilogram one or 2 kilogram, 3 kilogram. I chopped the chassis in half. I took the front end of the chassis and I plastic welded it on the rear, which is now the front, because they're both rear ends. I kept the standard stock steering. I basically reversed everything. And somehow I managed to make it work. We got some light snow here on the ground. All-wheel drive, drifting. That's crazy. Oh, holy shit, it's a drift machine. Here it is, the Haiboxing dual-motor RC setup. And trying to make it look as stock as possible, guys. Ottoman, bro, she is a bullet. I'm gonna call her Lucille. Come on, girl. That ain't. Grab this. Let's lock up the Honda. All right, guys, let's do some pulls with this thing. I'm gonna be filming and RCing at the same time. Here's a pull right here. Let's see if I can get this done. All right, guys, there it is. Haiboxing dual motor, 1/18 scale setup. Man, I can't believe this thing actually runs and it works, man. Don't get me wrong, there's some still stuff I can like work on, but so far so good. Man, look at that front plastic, welded that to the chassis. And I cut the body to fit the servo. Attached the spoiler to the actual body through some, I just screwed it in to be honest. And, she's gunning it. But I finished that 1/18 scale. What's next? We shall see.